Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn a very useful English expression, a slipshod way. Listen carefully, this expression is used when someone does something carelessly without proper effort or without paying attention to quality. So in simple words, a slipshod way means doing something carelessly, poorly, or in a messy manner. The work is not neat, not organized, and not done seriously. Let's understand it more clearly. Imagine a person who finishes work very quickly, but he does not check mistakes. He does not organize things, and he does not care about quality. This is called doing something in a slipshod way. So remember, this expression is used when someone does something carelessly without proper effort or without paying attention to quality. Now let's understand the structure so you can use this expression correctly in sentences. The structure is sentence plus in a slipshod way. This structure is very common in spoken English and written English. Let's look at some examples. First example, he completed the report in a slipshod way. This means he finished the report carelessly and the report probably has many mistakes. Now consider another example. The construction work was done in a slipshod way. Here it means the construction work was not done carefully or properly. Let's revise quickly. A slipshod way is used when someone does something carelessly without proper effort or without paying attention to quality. I hope you learned this expression and start using it in your daily conversations. Now I want you to practice. Write one sentence in the comments using a slipshod way. And if you want to improve your spoken English, vocabulary and fluency, subscribe to the channel and keep learning with me. See you in the next lesson.